Hello, divine beings, and today I'm coming here to talk about the cords. Many people are asking about the energetic cords and how to release them and how to keep us protected from them. This is a very serious question and very important one too, because it is like you have a small hole in your vessel, so it cannot contain the energy properly. If you have this small hole, so it is regularly draining your energetic body, and you can feel weak, you can feel drained, you can feel pain in your body. These kind of events only happen when you are draining yourself by the energetic cords. So let's understand a simple definition of cords. Cords are made of energy and connect to people's energy bodies. They stretch between two people, very much like an umbilical cord, and transfer emotional energy and life force energy between the two people. It does not affect the presence of person. It does not relate to the existence of that person nearby or in your surrounding. It means if someone is living far away from you, but still that person can train you. Only one gateway of training is your emotional body or your emotional status of mind. If you are not strong emotionally, if your emotional body is weak, so definitely you are open for many energy vampires to drain you. So first of all, we need to seal our aura. To protect ourselves from these kind of events, I generally suggest everyone to use Reiki, because it is a very powerful therapy, and regular practice of Reiki keeps us protected, healed, and strong at the level of emotional, physical, and etheric. So we automatically stay away from these kind of cords, and affirmation practice with it is very important. So this is awesome. Next thing is, as I'm in Hindu, so we believe that if we chant the Gayatri mantra regularly, or if we chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra on regular basis, and the Maha mantra of Lord Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, so it is a very easy, simple, and most beautiful way to keep our aura vibrating, beautiful, powerful, and energetic, but yes, free from the draining cords or negative cords. So we can try this as well. Other things, as we can use candles, because fire element is very strong way to release these cords. Another way is camphor or sage, bath of any kind of pious smell. I'm an Indian, so I'm using camphor and gugulu. So if you are living in any country where you can easily find the frankincense and sage, San Paulo wood, so you can use them as well. Holy water, Ganga Jal, rose water, these are very powerful ways to keep our aura powerful, bright, and charming. So a charming, beautiful, and powerful aura is always protected from the energetic draining cords. Meditation. Another way is meditation. If you regular meditate and shield your aura after it, so this is another way of keeping yourself away from the draining cords or negative cords. Another thing is this: if you are following a positive thinking, if you believe that God is helping you in all ways, in everything, so automatically you create a very strong emotional body. In that state too, you are protected from negative draining cords. Some basic rituals we learn in Reiki, some basic rituals we learn in Marlin Trinity Healing Energy System, Magnified Healing, or other systems of healing. So I always suggest everyone we should learn something because it is very important for us. A beautiful video of cord cutting meditation I made, and I'm going to share with you in the comment box, so you can try that too. It will take a little bit time, but it is a very good healing. One more thing I want to tell you: if you do not have it to forgive others. If you are feel weak and you are not forgiving others in that situation, you open a draining gate for others. If you are thinking others more than you all the time, that means there is a heavy cord. You need to release that. All relations are not made of beautiful crystals. Some has sharp glass pieces as well. So I suggest you, please release and forgive, let go, and use cord cutting ritual, meditation, or therapy, and feel free and be happy. So these are some easy ways you can use. And one more thing I use personally: Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. I bless you with peace. I bless you with love. May you stay happy, healthy in your world, and I am happy, healthy in my world. This too is a beautiful way to release someone. So I think I suggest here some small tricks and techniques. You can try them. If you have any more queries, you can ask to me. Please feel free to ask, and my email is kaushalreiki@gmail.com. Please contact me, send me beautiful emails about your experiences with my videos. Okay, have a lovely day. Jai Sai Ram. Bye.